Alright boys, welcome back to another little mini vlog, guys. So it turns out I got coronavirus. I did 2 tests, comes out positive. Fucking weird. How? Like, this makes no sense. Anyways, this is not about me, bro. This is about this beautiful banger we just called in the signal room, guys. We've been killing it. Call these buys. Excuse me. After these sells yesterday. Look at this entry, bro. Look at this fucking entry. Look at this entry, bro. Like, plus remember, guys, our winning trade here from the previous vlog. Let me just mute this. You know, we ended up taking these 40 pip sells, very solid. Took these buys right over here, and it was just beautiful trade. You know. And one thing that I do want to tell you guys on this one is, you know, we ending the week here with 3 back-to-back winners. A lot of people always tell me, Daniel, you know, can you make a video talking about, you know, when you finish the week on a win streak, how do you start your following week strong? So, I started the week with a loser, correct? And that was my fault because I was up 20 pips, 24 pips. I was like, probably like 3-4 pips away from hitting take profit, and I fell asleep. Literally fell asleep. I was like, yeah, there's no way it's gonna like reverse 40-50 pips in his stop loss, and it did. So I started my week off losing like that, imagine. And then finishing, I would have basically been undefeated if I would have took my profits on Sunday. But you know, it is what it is, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna let those little losses define me, because if I start letting these little losses define me, then I don't make room for the other winners. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep putting in my head, yeah, I don't have my glasses right now. But we fucking absolutely killed it, guys. Like, look at this. We got $7,000 profit. Here, let me put it against my little moon man here. Oh, bear with me. So, does this really not ever focus? Oh, there you go. So we're basically about 7,600 in profit. Real account, of course. Beautiful, beautiful. And we're finally above the 266 mark. Originally, I was up a lot more on this account. But I did take some gambling losses on my own, which I feel like an idiot doing. But, you know, well, not even gambling losses. It was just like I wasn't even being disciplined. It was just more of the fact that it was like, you know, like being up 25 pips with a 30 pip take profit. And then putting stops to break even, and, you know, then taking them off and putting them, like, you know what I'm saying? It was just like those stupid little things. So I wouldn't say any of my trades were ridiculous. I probably lost 10K on a trade that I was gambling because I was revenge trading, but then I was like, you know what? Let's just not. And it would have been a bigger loss. So, you know, I ended up making my money back, which is a great thing, because as long as I can follow my plan with at least a good, you know, mental, I will be able to make back on my losses always. You know what I'm saying? And like another thing that, you know, I was talking to my dad about, because my dad trades with me. Can you believe that? I literally motivated my dad to be a trader. Yeah, look, there's my dad. There goes my dad. I love this guy. So, yeah, he secured 20 pips, and you know, he took the trade with us. But, you know, we were talking about over here how we was telling me news, and I was like, sir, you need to be focused when I'm in trades. You know, when you're in trades, when in trades, can't be distracted. Distractions make you close early. I read somewhere in an article, blah, 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 blah. So, you know, I'm always giving like these little tips to my dad. You know what I'm saying? I always tell him, like, you may be my father, but I'm your daddy. Yo, this camera's insane. I love how this one doesn't even weigh anything. It's like a pocket camera, and it's like the best vlogging camera there is. You know, I know a lot of you guys were asking me, then just post vlogs, bro. Just post. It doesn't matter. You don't always need nothing to talk about. And I guess you're right. If I don't really have, if I can just feel comfortable posting with you guys, just like this, hanging out, I don't know. Would you guys like to see that? I just feel like, you know, YouTube is such a hard community to please, and I've always been a people pleaser. You know, I'm a Capricorn, so, you know, but I think the best thing that you guys can do before getting in a trade, or, you know, even being in a trade, is, bro, just get off Instagram. Don't even look at Instagram. Just, you know, just be, if you're gonna talk anywhere or be anywhere, at least be in your trading community, whatever trading community you guys are part of. You know, in my opinion, I think it's the best thing to do, because if you're not being focused and you're not watching how these candles move, then that could lead to maybe just 2 little rejections, making you know, no, let me close this trade, you know, instead of holding throughout the whole trade. You know what I'm saying? Before I get into a trade, I see where I want to lose, where my trade won't be valid anymore, and I see where I want to win. So the best thing that I've been seeing in my trading is me being more realistic with my results, and you know, just following this amazing trading plan has been able to like really boost my trading like crazy. You know what I'm saying? And I've been able to fluctuate more than 20% on my account. Well, it's not really my account, but it's my investor's account. But we go 50-50. So I mean, I guess you can say it's my account. You know, like every time I take a trade, I'm not really looking to get these 1 to 3s, 1 to 4s. There's really no point, because, you know, I think the most profitable people I've ever met are just scalpers that go for 20 to 30 pips every single day. You know, if sometimes I don't have to, because someday you're gonna get to a point where your balance is so big, 20 to 30 pips is like all you need. Imagine some people are like, I'm not happy if I don't take at least 50 to 100 pips a trade, and I'm like, do you hear yourself, my dude? Like, okay, like what if it was 100 lot? What if it was 100 lot? Please tell me. What if it's 100 lot and you're not gonna be happy with 30 pips? Let's say on gold, okay, $100 on gold would probably take forever to get there. I mean, me technically speaking, I've never done that. The biggest lot I've ever thrown was 50 on gold. I threw 100 lots on GJ before. That was pretty dope. But you know, it's just I don't find myself trying to hit these humongous trades. You know, I'm being more realistic and being more reasonable with my trades. And as long as I can be focused throughout this whole entire trade, you have no idea how far that will take you. I mean, I'm ending the week with 3 back-to-back bangers, 3 back-to-back 30+ pip moves. That's how I'm ending my week after starting my week up 25 pips, 20 pips, and then losing my trade, almost hitting TP. Imagine that. That's enough to fuck up anybody's trading psychology. You know what I'm saying? That's enough to fuck up anybody's trading psychology. So I feel like the more reasonable you guys are with your results, especially with your stop loss, if you can find the best stop loss for your trade, I do believe that is the most important thing about any trade. Oh my God, let's go. Like, my trade is already up 50 fucking pips from my entry. You know what I'm saying? I wish I would have been in it, but I'm not in the trade. I got out at TP1, which is, oh my God, dude, this thing is really up 50 pips. So like, look at this. Boom, boom, boom. It's at 722, 720 from our 500, from our 200 entry. So I'm gonna put here real quick. You know, 50 pips plus profit. Well, not even, because the original TP is at 182,800. So it was a 2 risk reward trade. You know, easy 2 risk reward trade. Nothing too crazy. Nothing to go beyond and above to try to get 150 pips. There's really no point, right? 1 to 2s are like absolutely amazing. So I mean, going for 1 to 3s, you know, all that. I don't know. I just can't. I wouldn't be able to unless I'm sleeping throughout the whole entire trade. Then you'll find myself trying to hold a 1 to 3. That's probably the best bet. You know, just lay and pray, and I guess set and forget, like Alex G says. But anyways, guys, I appreciate the video, guys. I meant the video. I appreciate the comments on my last video, guys. I have been looking at them. I am trying to give you guys as much as possible. My goal is to upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, even if it's stupid videos like this. But then again, you know, these little videos aren't even that stupid, you know, because people really like them. So before I end this video, you know, I want to talk about the distractions again. You know, if you guys are constantly finding yourself being distracted by any little thing, and imagine this coming from somebody with ADHD, so, you know, you have to stop. You have to literally stop doing every little thing that is distracting you from being great. You know what I'm saying? Now I finished my trade. Now I can go on Instagram and I can fuck around and scroll, like, you know, do what everybody does. Do what I do. You know what I'm saying? I can fuck around now. I have time. I deserve to fuck around now. Why? Because I devoted my trading time to the charts. Now I'm gonna devote my me time to whatever the fuck I wanna do. It's 5, it's about to be 6 in the morning. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna order some breakfast on Uber Eats. You know what I'm saying? Or I'm probably gonna get in my 720 McLaren and go get a freaking Starbucks. I don't know, I don't feel too good. I'll probably make even a hot tea. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But all I know is I'm ending my week profitable, guys. But anyways, we've already hit the 10-minute mark, guys. Do you guys like these type of videos? If so, let me know down below. What are we gonna talk about next? It's a very beautiful week, guys. Let's go. But right now, boys, watching Josh currently. Basically, what we're waiting for. We're waiting for is the data that's gonna come out right now. So let's see. There's like news in like 11 minutes. But you know, almost dropped my camera. But my overall trade here on GJ, guys, from the signal. Remember we called this signal over here earlier at 4 in the morning. Yeah, the whole trade hit. So that leaves us ending the week with another banger. 3-win streak to end the week. It sucks that the beginning of the week, you know, we let our greed get to us. We would have had 4 wins for the week to be undefeated for the week, but we kind of fucked that up ourselves. But it's okay. We didn't let that define us. We didn't let that little loss fuck with us. We came back stronger than ever. 3 back-to-back wins. Love it, and that's how we end the week. Now I have an opportunity to learn when it comes to fundamentals here with Josh. So I did call it a week, and I'm like, I'm done. Let me get off my computer. But hey, I have an opportunity here to learn with Josh. So you know what? I'm gonna take advantage of that. So I got out of my bed, and imagine I have COVID. I don't know how, but I have COVID. God, every time I say COVID, I have like these little coughs that come in. But you know, I have an opportunity to learn. So why would I want to be in bed? You know what I'm saying? Always remain a student, guys. Always. And I appreciate you guys for watching this vlog, guys. I'm gonna be posting daily, man. Fuck that shit. You know, I just didn't want to be posting too much daily because I'm like worried about the views and stuff. But who gives a shit, man? You know what I'm saying? I'm here for you guys, and I just want to be a little bit of motivation for you guys. So let's fucking kill it, guys. Love you guys. See you guys in the next one.